Welcome to Smartsheet. I'm Erin, and I'm going to give you a few tips to help you and your team get the most out of using Smartsheet. To get the best results, keep information out of email and put it into the sheet. Attach files, include images, and use comments. This makes the right information easy to find and ensures that everyone is working from the same set of information. Make updates in the sheet to keep everyone informed of progress as it happens and reduce the need for status meetings. Set up notifications to receive email alerts when people make changes. Use highlight changes to see changes made since your last visit. Teams also find it useful to add a column with symbol properties in order to show status. Create reminders to stay on top of key dates. Switch views for a different perspective on your project. Move from grid to card view to work more visually. Focus on dates and view the sheet as a calendar. Or use Gantt view to see how tasks fit together. Download the mobile app for anytime access to your sheet. We invite you to create your own sheet to experience the full potential of what Smartsheet can do for you with a free 30-day trial. To get started, create a new sheet, modify a template, or import data from another application. Securely share your sheet with an unlimited number of people for free. Permission levels control who can access and make changes to your sheet. To learn more, check out these resources.